Good evening, friends. This is Vijay Kumar. As per my commitment, I am recording my third video today about digital marketing. So far we are looking at why digital marketing and what is digital marketing. So, as informed, this digital marketing is your amplified messaging service. And why digital marketing? Yes, today because of people are on the internet and digital age, we have to be doing digital marketing. So now the next question is how to do digital marketing. So that's very important, like how to do digital marketing. When it comes to how to do digital marketing, so we have to figure out what it is, and the main thing is the content is the key. So the content is what will be the framework. We will have a content, and that content might be talking about you if you want to build your own brand, or it can talk about your product or the services what you do, or it can be a knowledge series on the product or services what we have. So that is the content. Content is the king. So we create a content, and this framework is like you create a content. It can be a Facebook post, that's a content. It can be a blog, that is a content. You create a video like this on a YouTube thing, that's a content. So those are content, and that's the main king of the digital marketing. Everything revolves around the content. So we create a content, and so for content creation, the main work is you have to have a planning for that. So what is the content I am going to create? So for example, if you are going to do a blog, so you can have some of the topics ready about your product or services, or the knowledge series on that. All these things you have to plan it, and what you are going to do with that. It is like framing it that I will be releasing my blog every week, every month, like that. So, and you can create the idea for the content, and the content idea is very important. So what I am going to talk about, for example, I am now doing this video that I have planned to do it on a everyday basis. So that's the main thing. And second thing is I am planning to talk about digital marketing, the contents of it, how to do it, all those things. And future we will be going in depth into each and every subject of it and I am planning to make it as 10 minutes video, because people can listen to it within 10 minutes, and some frameworks I am going to give it to you. This is planning of your content. So the content has to be planned, and next step is the content has to be marketed. That is called content marketing. So what is meant by content marketing? You place the content to your viewers. So you need to know, you need to see, when I write something, if I am a writer, I write say for example, I am planning to release a book. So I am writing some good book, and it is more than around 120-125 pages. If I keep it for myself, so it's a good content, but somebody has to consume it. So what we do is we place it. What we do is we go to a publisher, or now today self-publishing is available. You can paste it on Amazon or Kindle and all these things now. So that has also evolved actually. Anybody can be a writer today. It is not early stages like what we do. We have to go for a publisher, publish it. That was all not there now. Today we can release it. So that has to be placed to the consumer, the audience. So that is the marketing of the content. Then what is the purpose of this marketing? What we intend to do? Ultimately we intend to offer them the service or the product to our end user. So what we do is we place the content to the audience, and from there next step is the lead generation. We generate a lead, that is people want to know more about your services or product. That is called a lead. It's not a sale. I am talking about a lead. So the next question is lead generation. So after lead generation, as I told you yesterday, people will do business with you when they trust you. So now We have to build that trust. How to build the trust? That is through constant involvement of the consumer. It is like, again, we can do it on your Facebook postings, you can do it through email marketing, all these things. So we'll touch each and every topic differently. But now, so next thing is lead generation. What I mean by lead is somebody is interested in interacting with you, that's all. It is not that they will come to a sale, but we need to know that they are ready to interact with you. So for that, what we require, we need to know their mail ID, their contact details and all these things. That's the lead. Then based on the lead, we work with them through mailing or through placing of our Facebook post and all these things, and their behavior to be analyzed. See, digital marketing is more of an analytical system. So you have to analyze their behavior and all those things. Then the sale thing comes in, where you pitch in your product or the services to them, and we convert them as a sale. This is the whole process. So basically, digital marketing is not a 100 meters race or something. It is not a sprint, it is a marathon. So we have, and I recently was following the interview of Mr. Sagar, who is actually a great affiliate marketer. He is a budding affiliate marketer, and he is doing great with this affiliate system now. So he also has communities where he teaches affiliate marketing. So what he was talking about is like, he is talking about the farmer mentality. So what this farmer mentality is, today you put the seed in, tomorrow you don't expect the crop. So digital marketing is like a farming, where you sow the seeds. That is, your content is visible to the audience. That is the seed. From the seed, slowly it germinates and it grows as a lead to you. From the lead, you convert that into a sale. That's the crop for you. And on the process, we may also have some weeds, right? Obviously, weeds are to be grown. So when you do a farming, your weeds will be there. That is what I am not talking about the weed like somebody disturbing you or something. It is like we evolve the process where there is grab holes, how understanding where we have to be, how to be in the system and all these things, and weed it out and make it as a proper crop, so that we get the result. So that is how digital marketing is done. So you have to do digital marketing in that particular fashion. So thank you for watching this. Let me talk to you tomorrow. Bye.